So this is our Adria Altea 522PK, a 19-foot single axle caravan, and let me show you a bit of the inside. So the caravan is fitted with a queen size bed up the front here, television, storage cupboards above the bed, some there as well. There's a nice little storage shelf to the side there. Nice little 19-inch TV DVD player there. The bed lifts easily for storage underneath. Obviously Marley's quite interested in that for some reason. There's a gas and electric hot water heater there, and the storage goes quite deeply. Put that down again, nice and easy. A dinette, and each of the dinette seats have a storage area underneath them. Ooh. Cupboards above the dinette. Hidden away in one of them is a CD player, radio, plays USB as well. Opposite the dinette is the kitchen. Features a 3-burner gas stove. Flipmaster sink. There's a little gas oven grill here. Two drawers, which auto close, and a large cupboard down the bottom. Look out, Marley. A little convenient microwave oven. And a 3-way fridge, currently operating off 240, also operates off gas and 12 volt when you're driving. Trusted Labrador to be interested in the fridge, and a reasonable size freezer. There are 2 skylights. Second one of them is over the 2 bunks. Unusually, the bunks are just over 6 foot long, so more than convenient for older teenagers like we have. And at the end here is quite a large wardrobe, with the master electrics down there. The bottom bunk also has storage underneath. Part of it's taken up with the air conditioning system, but the other part's free and vacant to be used. One of the things we really like about this caravan is the full bathroom. So on one side, a full-size shower, complete with a mirror and a drying rail. And compared to other vehicles we've used, decent size, and a glass door, not a shower curtain. Over the other side, the toilet, which is a cassette style, and very conveniently a large cabinet for all the toiletries, and a very neat fold down sink so that valuable space is not taken by it being there permanently. And this is nice solid plastic, very, very ingenious. So that's the bathroom. Good sized bathroom, perfect for a family caravan. Good solid door on it. This is looking back towards the queen bed, which currently is being utilised by a boxer and a Labrador as a play area. What do you think you two are doing? Okay. So that's our Altea 522 PK. We're looking forward to taking a lot of trips in this vehicle. I guess as a point of note, it can operate for about 3 days just on the battery, powering the lights and the radio. The battery will not power the microwave or the air conditioning. For that you need to be plugged into shore power or have an external generator. Given that it'll run for 3 days because all the lights are LED, we haven't looked into a generator, and we haven't looked into solar panels yet, but may do so down the track. We'll just have to wait and see how it goes. Just another quick look outside. So it came standard with the Alcoa hitch. Lots of windows,